San Miguel falls to South Korea's KT Sonic Boom in EASL opener. San Miguel Bears' return to the international stage was spoiled by South Korea's Suwon Street Sonic Boom after an 87-81 loss in the opener of the East Asia Super League Wednesday at Mall of Asia. The Beermen couldn't sustain a strong first half poured by import EJ Anusik as they were forced to play catch-up by the Korean Basketball League side before falling short in their comeback bid in the fourth quarter. Marcio Lasseter knocked down a 3 that put San Miguel behind 75-73 with 42 minuto pasado alas 5 left in the final period, but Heohon responded with a shot from the same distance that triggered a Suwon pullaway. Score of player: Suwon 87, Hamans 30, Heo 17, Han 14, Hasham, Tillman Jr. 8, Moon S. 0, Choi 0, Lee 0, Moon J. 0, Park 0, Ku 0. San Miguel 81 Anusik 34, Fajardo 11, Miller 8, Lasseter 8, Perez 7, Rosales 3, Trolano 2, Totwa 0, Ross 0, Cruz 0. Quarters: 23-20, 39-43, 63, 68-62, 87-8.